Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download apps from Playstore. Whether Playstore is on your PC or on your MacBook, this video will help you with that. Okay, so you want to locate where your Playstore is installed. You can add it to your taskbar. So in this example, I've added it to my taskbar, so just click it. And then we're going to choose a game we want to install. So here you're going to head over to the game section. And we're going to click, that says Windows, you click Windows. In this example, we're going to search for Hungry Shark to download. And there, Hungry Shark Evolution. Now click. You can download any game on Playstore to your Windows. In this case, I'm doing Hungry Shark. So click the option that says Install on Windows. Then it says now choose wherever can be by downloads or can be anywhere. Click save. And then it says install Hungry Shark Evolution, Google Play Games, beta.exe, and click install. Minimize it. Wait a few moments to install, and this Google Play Games beta will pop up. And it says install Windows. Location 52 gigs of 114. And then once you install this game, you can install it. I hope that helped with the video. In this case I already have it, so just follow all instructions and the game should be downloaded. Thanks so much. Like, comment and subscribe.